Now, this video that I'm just showing you now, it is showing that, or it's showing one of the NIO stores of being pegged. Apparently, NIO this month is offering additional subsidies to battery swapping, or meaning that those that buy the NIO cars will get, chances are very high that they'll be getting more free battery swaps, which is something that is great, something that is incredible. You will know that NIO's target, as if we've been discussing for this month, they want to find themselves selling around 20,000 of their sub-brand owned cars, which that simply means that when you add the NIO models, it could result into NIO reporting an all-time high when it comes to deliveries this month, which will be so great, so amazing. But again, let's wait, let's see how things unfold. But it appears that right now, what we've been seeing on the delivery centers, what we've been seeing on the NIO stores, it is showing or giving a huge signal that plus 30,000 for NIO might be on the line this month. But before we continue, have a look at this video. I mean, you can see that it's pegged. People are going in and going to buy, which is something that is great. And the good thing is that this is NIO cars, right? NIO cars, you'll know that they are quite pricey. They are not as cheap as the Onvo L60, and therefore seeing the NIO cars being flooded or a NIO store being flooded like this, it's something that is pretty good. Delivery centers are also packed, and all these videos are just showing and indicating or highlighting to us that we need to brace ourselves for what's coming. Some of the retail investors who still don't believe that NIO will pull through the 30,000, I'm quite certain that they will be shocked after seeing the amount of cars that NIO is going to sell this month, right? The good thing is that every Tuesday we'll be seeing the signals. So there will be signals from the insurance registrations. I mean, though insurance registrations do not actually give the actual sales or give us what NIO actually sold, but they give us a guidance on what to expect. If you remember very well, the month of December, when NIO was targeting or ended up selling plus 30,000, there were signs in the weeks of December. We were seeing the insurance registrations figures coming out way more than normal, and we knew that because of that, NIO is going to see deliveries going over 30,000. I mean, if my memory still serves me well, last week of December, NIO had plus 10,000 insurance registrations, which that alone showed us that indeed plus 30,000 was coming, which we saw it coming. And again, it is for that reason that I say, even for this month, the signals that will confirm if whether we'll get the 30,000 or not, it will be the insurance registrations, though they don't reflect actual sales, but they will be the ones to tell us or to show us if whether NIO is going to report plus 30,000 deliveries. I think it's possible. I mean, quite a number of NIO investors are saying for NIO to double sales this year, for the remaining 3 months, including the month of March, NIO needs to be selling over 41,000 or over 40,000 deliveries on a month to month, which personally I still think that it's possible. We will see NIO do well because there are quite a number of catalysts that will help NIO get to that. NIO is launching 2025 facelift models from Q2, and over and above that, Firefly is being loaded. They are going to also load or add 2 more models coming from their sub-brand Onvo, which that is going to result into NIO being able to maintain, being able to sell more than what so many people anticipate. I am hopeful. I remain long. I remain strong onto NIO because I know that we are definitely going to be rewarded. Share price wise, we might not be there, but we are most definitely going to be rewarded. I mean, today in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange and SGX, NIO it's on a green, which is a good thing as they are responding based off what we saw, of course, last week on Friday from the New York Stock Exchange. So this is good, man. This is exciting to see share price of NIO recovering. Unfortunately, not even technical people can tell you where NIO will be next week. They can just give you maybe estimates on where it could be. But one thing is that many people are seeing, or many investors out there are seeing at least a double digit onto NIO this year. Whether it will go back to $20 this year, we still don't know. But the good thing is that this year we know there are great things happening. NIO is intending on double sales. NIO intends to get to profitability in Q4. which the way things are moving, I'm telling you, it's coming. It's coming, which is why bears and shorts better watch out, because blue sky is coming. So yeah, man, I thought I'd come and give you this quick update of the deliveries, or Neo stores rather, being pegged. Yesterday we were talking about delivery centers. Today we are talking about Neo stores being pegged, which this is great, this is amazing, and hopefully Neo continues to do very well. I know there are people that are still hesitant. I know there are still people that still want to see Neo maybe sell 30,000-40,000 first before they can buy, before they can increase their holdings. But me, I know it's a no-brainer. I'm just going to, whatever money I get, I'm going to load in on Neo, because I know that blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will be the ones to be rewarded. Hit that likes button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Don't forget to share this video to the other Neo community, so that at least we can grow stronger together. We know that short sellers are trying their best to take Neo back to below $4, which is not happening, because so many of the investors now know what, of course, Neo it's about, and retail it's adding, retail it's loading, which is why we're not seeing the share price of Neo going below $4 per stock. So the more we share videos like this, the more our community will grow stronger, and shorts won't have the final say at the end of the day. But again, what you do with your money, it's up to you. I'm not certified to tell you what to do with your money. I will see you on the next one though. But one thing is for sure, I'll see you on the next one, and God bless you all.